How to lock iPhone screen to a single app. Subscribe for more quick tips. At first, open settings on your iPhone. Tap on accessibility. Scroll down a little and tap on guided access. Now turn on the guided access toggle. Then tap on passcode settings. Tap on set guided access passcode. Enter a passcode. Then retap the passcode. Now go back and open an app you want to lock screen. Now triple tap on the power button. Guided mode is enabled. You cannot close this app from now. To exit guided access protection, triple tap on power button. Then provide the guided access passcode. And that's it.